And we are due to get a direct hit category 4 and possibly category 5.
So what you're looking at here over the eastern portion of Jamaica is rain potential in excess of 3 feet. That is almost certain to create catastrophic flooding, life-threatening flash flooding, roads impassable, communities cut off.
So we use plywoods to barricade the areas and sandbags to ensure that during the storm we don't have any issues of any debris going inside.
I want to say again, at this point, there's always been a hesitancy when evacuation orders are given. Do not take this one lightly. This may be the one.